Okay, welcome student to the part 4 of this chapter 2 on the problem number 3. If 0 of the quadratic polynomial px equal 3x square plus within bracket 2k minus 1 x minus 5 are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, then find the value of k. Okay, now the things that you have to understand from here, that the 0 of this polynomial, they are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. What does that mean? It means that it is having the same value but just opposite in sign. Now since we do not know what is the 0 of this polynomial, let us take alpha as 1 of 0. Then by the given condition, the order 0 should be minus alpha. Clear? Okay, now let's go with the solution for this. In the given polynomial, what is A? A is quotient of x squared, which is 3. What is B? B is quotient of x, which is 2k minus 1. And what is C? C is constant, which is minus 5. Now if alpha, let alpha be one of zeros, by the given condition, the order 0 should be how much? Minus alpha. Now we have the sum of zeros, which is minus BB, as we know. Then sum of zeros mean what are 0? We have taken alpha as 1 0 plus with the order 0, which is minus alpha, is equal minus B by A. What is B? 2k minus 1 by 3. Now alpha plus minus is minus, mean alpha minus alpha, which is 0. That means 0 is equal to the right side. Now cross multiplying 3 multiplied with 0 is equal to 0. That means minus 2k minus 1 equals 0. Now multiplying this minus sign to this term, which is in bracket, minus with plus is minus, that is minus 2k, minus with minus is plus, that is plus 1. Okay, then taking 2k to right side, 2k, this minus will change to plus, 2k is equal to 1, or just interchanging places, you'll have 2k is equal to 1, which implies that k should be equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Now on the problem number 4, if 1 0 of the polynomial is a reciprocal of the order, find the value of A. Okay, what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal is if we take alpha as 1 of the 0, then the order 0 should be 1 by alpha. Reciprocal mean it should be the numerator should be in the go to the denominator, while denominator should go to the numerator. It should be just opposite the places of denominator and numerator. Now here, this is the given polynomial px equal a square plus 9 within bracket, then x square plus 15x plus 6a. Okay, don't confuse with a, b and c from this given polynomial. What is a? A is the quotient x square, which is a square plus 9. What is b? B is quotient of x, which is 15. And what is c? C is constant, which is 6a. Clear? Don't confuse me. Even though here in this given polynomial is given a is there, but the value of a, b and c is taken from the standard form of a polynomial, that is a is the quotient x square, b is quotient of x, and c is a constant. Now let us take alpha as 1 of the 0. Then by the given condition, the order 0 should be 1 by alpha. Now we have product of zeros equals c by a as we know it. Okay, now what is product of 0? 1 0 is alpha, multiply with the another 0, 1 by alpha, equal c by a. What is c? 6a by a square plus 9. Now alpha multiply with 1 by alpha, you can cancel alpha, you'll have only 1 equals 6a by a square plus 9. Cross multiplying this, you'll have a square plus 9 is equal to 6a. Okay, now bringing this a to the left side, a square minus 6a plus 9 equals 0, which is a quadratic polynomial in which variable? In the variable of a. Now how to factorize this? We'll factorize this by splitting the middle term. Now to do that, we look for the quotient of a square. Quotient of a square is 1. 1 multiplied 9 is 9. Now the factor of 9 are 3. 3s are 9. Now from these two factor, will you get 6? Yes. How? By adding 3 plus 3. Now instead of 6, we can write 3 plus 3. Okay. Now the next step, you multiply this minus sign with this term which is in bracket. Minus with plus is minus 3 multiply a 3a. Minus with plus again minus 3 multiply a 3a. Now within the first and second term, you take common. Which is common? Between the first and second, a is common. Then within bracket you will have a minus 3. From the last two term, 3 and 9, 3 is common, therefore you will take 3 minus 3. Once you take minus as a common term, here minus will be plus. 3 you have taken, you have remaining only a, then minus plus is minus. Now 3 multiply how much is 9? 3 multiply 3 is 9 equal 0. That means or 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, now this term which is in bracket, they are the same. A minus 3 you will take only once. You have a minus 3 and multiply with a minus 3 equals 0, or you can take a minus 3 means a minus 3 whole square equals 0. If square of this equals 0, this means a minus 3 itself will be equal 0. Then a will be equal to 3 by taking this minus 3 to the right side. Clear? Now a is equal to 3. Hence the value of a we have found out to be 3. Next is on the problem number 5. If one zero of the polynomial is double the order, find the value of a. In this given polynomial, what is a? A is quotient x square, again is 1. What is b? Quotient of x, which is p. And what is c? C is constant, which is 8. Now if we take alpha as one of the 0 by the given condition, what should be the order 0? The order 0 should be double the order, mean twice of alpha. Clear? Let us take with the product of zeros. We have product of zeros is c by a, isn't it? Then product of zeros mean alpha multiply with twice alpha should be equal to c by a. What is c? C is 8. What is a? A is 1. Mean alpha square, twice of alpha square is equal to 8. Alpha square is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Then alpha will be square root of 4, which is 2. Whenever you are taking square root, you should write plus minus 2. That means alpha can be 2 or minus 2. Clear? Alpha can be 2 or minus 2. Then if alpha is plus minus 2, what should be the order 0? Is twice of alpha. That's twice of plus or minus 2, which is plus or minus 4. Okay. Now again let us take with the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equal minus b by a. What is here, as alpha is having two values, alpha having two values, and the order 0 is also having two values. One is plus 4, other is minus 4. On the left side we'll consider with the plus sign, on the other side we'll consider with the minus sign. Now sum of 0, that means 2 plus 4 is equal minus b by a. That means minus b by 1. 2 plus 4 is 6 equal minus b, or b equal minus 6. if we are taking with the minus sign, one alpha is minus 2, the other alpha is plus with minus 4, equal again same thing, c by a minus b by 1. Now plus minus minus must just mean minus 2 with minus 4, which is minus 6, equal minus p. Cancelling this minus, will get p equal to 6. Hence the value of p is 6 or minus 6. Clear? This is the end of the part 4. I hope you are clear with this, you understand with this, and on the next class we shall discuss with the part 5 of this chapter. Okay, for the time being I'll stop here and we will continue it again on our next class. Bye to all of you.